A convicted peeper will stand trial for the latest incident he is accused of.
Police say he was following 5 women last month near the UW Green Bay campus. But 46-year-old Al Umentum remains out of jail tonight on a $10,000 cash bond, and some people are worried he may strike again. Fox 11's Lou Hillman takes a closer look.
It was a short day in court on Tuesday for Al Umentum, but he'll make several more appearances in coming days and weeks. The 46-year-old is charged in 2 separate incidents where he allegedly spied on young women. In September, police say Umentum showed up at this tanning salon in De Pere and forced his way into an area where customers tan. Then, just last month, Umentum was arrested again. Police say he was following 5 women near the UW Green Bay campus. He is facing several charges from the 2 incidents. The most serious is felony stalking. The others are all misdemeanors. In 2008, Umentum was also convicted on 2 counts of invasion of privacy after he snuck into the dorms at UW Oshkosh and spied on female students as they showered. Now, Al Umentum's criminal record dates back nearly 20 years. All but 2 of the charges, however, are misdemeanors. That has some people concerned.
I would say that as long as he's not in jail, he's a danger.
Sue Lockwood is the program manager at the Brown County Sexual Assault Center. She counsels people who have been targeted by stalkers and peepers.
You know, there are certainly some offenders who their sexual gratification is strictly through watching, but for the most part, people who are doing that kind of behavior, they don't get the same thrill as they continue to do that, and so they have to up it a notch every time.
Mr. Umentum, would you like to make... Umentum declined to speak with Fox 11 after court. Law enforcement officials also did not want to comment for this story. Lockwood says the situation is unnerving.
And I think it's very frustrating because the consequence or the punishment for something like stalking, you know, isn't usually very serious.
So, for now, Umentum is not in jail. His most recent address is in Sturgeon Bay. Family members tell us the alleged victims are still afraid. It's an emotion Lockwood understands.
For them, it's a very frightening experience that impacts on them much more than people might realize.
In Green Bay, Lou Hillman, Fox 11 News.
Umentum's attorney also declined to comment for this story. Umentum is scheduled to be back in court Thursday.